sweet meat with this, guys. Condensed milk. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get the channel to 30k. Yes guys, today I make something. This is for the ladies, guys. We want to make this for no man. Yes, if we don't want him to stay all night and be, and just strong, and I don't want to get too explicit because say I YouTube this, yeah. But if you want to spice up your bedroom, make this for your man, to get that mood. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna make some Jamaican original strong back. Remember saying no. The ladies them leave from all over the world, come to Jamaica for where the man them have to give them, And this is what Jamaican men feed on to stand up strong all night. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Ladies, make this for the boyfriend, on a husband, and for yourself too. Yeah, but stay tuned guys. Let's get the channel to 30,000 subscribers. Remember, you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook I'm at Erica Shakifred. So yeah guys, and also you can join my close friends on my Instagram patrons. You can click that link and join my close friends. Let's go guys, we're on the road to 30k on YouTube. Yay! And I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn from this video. I use pumpkin. I use all of this, and the rest of bananas. I'm telling you, I go save my bananas. So stay tuned guys. And guys, I'm hoping that if you choose to make this strong back punch, I want to do it exactly. I want to use the things them exactly like how I use them, depending on your taste. But to get it more, may I try to do it? That's me get everything right. So stay tuned guys. We're gonna cut up, we're gonna wash them here off and get them cut up.
You're going to leave them until I'm in to come.
So then we might get my help.
So guys, as you can see, we are cooking. I'm looking crazy.
I go don't cook it thin. I mean, I cook them too fine because they go boil. So guys, I advise you to please cook the pumpkin. When I cook pumpkin, I get the taste so type. You don't have to cook it till it's soft, but I recommend people to cook them pumpkin. Because me eat pumpkin already and I don't cook them like how you see. I like how you smell none at all. Go wash out them here. Guys, I try to find the skin of the pumpkin because of the chlorophyll, the green. Chlorophyll is really good as well. And also the skin of the banana, I try to put that as well. Because of the iron that it has. I'm not even sure if I'm not here, because I don't have a Jaquan!
Best grand picnic in Jamaica there. You know what's the guy shit?
I wonder if the ice they have a food by time. I make this to freeze ice.
And then we get some onion and some carrots. The one that on the finger sauce. The one that back there, yeah.
You guys, I will get the something them boil up. We get them boil and cook pumpkin and the banana. As me say guys, it's good to cook it. It's good to get them cooked first. It's good to get it cooked before blending. I'm just saying. You don't have to do it, but to me it tastes better when them cook. So yeah guys. Okay, so I have to make them cook. And I make them get too soft, you know guys. You see the water black? That's the iron in the banana. Yeah guys. Just make it get a next boil. I give about one next 5 minutes. I'll give one next 5 minutes guys, and then we get blending, but we have to go make this cool first. So yeah, this have to go cool first before we blend it up. With the blender, we're gonna get the stuff them in. Use it first. And the tongs. More some my water in here, so some of the water we boil, you know. Hey guys, so we are going to blend up now. Blend up the other rest of stuff them now. Yeah guys, so I'm going to get the other things them blended up now. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm going to blend up to mix with this. So yeah guys, so some dragon salt, bit fire, yeah. It as well, some almonds for fiber, and get it blended, get them blend up together. The banana and something I look. We will add in. There's something now with the pea, with the almond, everything going up. Let's get together. Guys, you can put salt in there as well, guys, to get the taste up. I'm gonna put salt in this set. Put salt in it. Even with the ice when you put on, don't melt. Yeah, sweet meat with this, guys. Condensed milk. I put in the nutmeg extract. Never remember nothing about it. Some nutmeg. Some vanilla. The flavoring. I will put it to freeze. You don't have no ice. Yeah, it's no freeze. No freeze up in the make no sense. And that's how you make this type. This is one way, guys. One way. They have many other things. I will show no other stuff them. Where the man then blend up. Where you can blend up for your man and make your man strong. You can't say lazy.